Hi, my name is Fazmin. I'm a room attendant here at Grand Plaza, Moonpig Media City, Dubai. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect bed. I have 3 tips. The tip number 1, I'm always arranging the bed linens the correct sequence. And the example, this is the bottom sheet and top sheet and the duvet cover, and this is my pillowcases. Tip number 2, always keep the beddings next to the bed. Tip number 3, always pull the bed to keep enough space to work around.